Okay, so basically now we have news adding and news displaying. So let's create a script that will allow us to comment our news. So first let's go to MySQL and let's create a table called news comments, and we need ID, news ID, user ID, news, and we need date posted. Actually we don't need date posted, but we still can add it. So ID can be int, news ID int, user ID must be varchar, and let's set it to 20. News, not date, it will be text, and date posted will be date time. Now let's set ID row to auto increment and primary key, and that's basically it. So you can save it. I won't, because I already have a table called news comments. So back to our code. Now let's first add our form. We add form here. So let's first add a break. Now we are going to echo our form. Let's say form name would be comments, and method will be post, and action will be self action again, and let's end the form. So what we need now is a text area, of which name will be comment. So let's end the text area, and we're gonna need a submit field. Input type will be submit, name will be comments, and we need a value, and we'll say comment. Okay, we have a form now. This form will only show up when we set an ID for the news. So let's create another. Here we're gonna make a code for inserting data from our comments to MySQL. So let's say if is set those comments, as we call it comments here. If you set comments, then you need to echo out. Well, not echo, sorry. We need to create variables for data sent from form. So first will be comment, that will equal our post, that will equal post comment here. Comment, another variable. Do we need another variable? No, that's the only variable we need. Okay, so now we add a MySQL query where we insert into news comments. We insert into news comments and set. So we need to set everything. Let's first set our comment. Comment would be comment. Just a second, I need to check our MySQL if this table really is, this row really is comment. A big mistake. Please go back to your MySQL where we created it, and we need to change this back to comment. Not back to, but we need to change it to comment. I made a mistake, sorry guys. Anyway, you can edit it in your PHPMyAdmin. So now comment set to comment, user ID must be set as our session. Oh, I did it again. We don't need that. We don't want that. Okay, we now set comment and session. So now let's set date posted. This will be set as to now, and we set we have to set something. Yes, news ID. News ID will be set as and this will be set as right. We need something else. We need an ID variable here, and that equals to get ID, as we are going to set news ID to ID. Okay, so let me just check if we have all the apostrophes. Oh, here, I forgot one. This would end our script, wouldn't post to our database and stuff. So I'll just check if this works. It works. Just delete this space here. It won't read spaces, so it wouldn't send anything to our MySQL database. That's it. Now I'm just gonna end this part here. In the next part I'm gonna show how to actually echo our comments on our news. So see you in the next part.